Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So yesterday we got the CV axle out, got that replaced, and we got the brakes out, got that done, and we're working on the interior. We started getting the interior out, so let's take a look at it. So right over here, got the back seat trunk open, and we got it some baking powder in there. There's the center console. There's part of the rocker piece. There's the back seat, and then in here we got the center console out. That's bad. Looks really bad. But we're gonna get these out of here. Gonna get the seats out. Got the glove box removed there. There's a couple bolts. There's a bolt there, and there's a couple over there and there, and then the bolts up to the center console. So we got that out. Got that to get that carpet out of here. In the back here, we got the back seat out. So we got that done. Got that vacuumed up. That was real nasty. And we're gonna get this carpet out. We're gonna get it pressure washed and sprayed, and then we're gonna dye it black. So I think that's the best bet, to try to cover up all these stains and everything like that, to get this looking really nice. But I think after we're done, we'll I think it'll look like a nice car. And we got some body work to do, so we're gonna sand that all down. We'll get that painted black, but right now we're focusing on the interior. So let's finish getting these seats out, and let's pull this carpet out. So let's get to it. We got the back seat out. We got the driver's side seat out, passenger side seat out. So we do is take care of that fuel door right there. Bailey, there's Bailey. She likes to go for a ride in the car too. So we got all that done, and we're getting ready to pull this carpet. So let's pull this nasty carpet out, and let's get it pressure washed and shampooed and sprayed, and see what we can do with it. But I think we're just gonna paint it black. Just gonna dye it black all the way, and just be done with that. So let's get the carpet out. So there's the two seats, driver's seat, passenger seat. We're gonna clean the tracks up right here. We're gonna clean those up. We're gonna take the tracks off, probably spray them black, some black primer or something like that. So we'll get that done. But let's get this carpet out, and we'll see how nasty it looks. We got the seats out.
We got the carpet out, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna align the floorboards. Got the seat out. So here's the carpet. It's nasty. So get ready to go shout it.
We're gonna spray it with some shout, let it set overnight, and then we'll pressure wash it in the morning, soak it up with the vacuum cleaner, and then we'll shampoo it after that, and then we'll see what it looks like. But let's spray it down. Stop. So we got the rocker panels out, and we got the center console out. We got the front dashboard apart. We got the seat sprayed. So we got that all done. So we're gonna let the carpet set overnight, and we'll shampoo it in the morning, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. All right, so we got the carpet out, and we got it dried, and it's all sprayed and scrubbed and shampooed. So that's about the best that we could do it. So we got some vinyl fabric specialty coating ideal for dashboards, door panels, seats, and carpet by Duplicolor. So we'll put the link in the comment below if you want to try this stuff out. But let's get this carpet sprayed black, and see what it looks like. So So we got the carpet sprayed black, and we used about 2 cans so far. This has got a little bit left in it. So we'll let this dry, and then we'll come back out and we'll shoot it again. We're probably gonna have to get one more can, because some of those stains aren't concealing itself with the carpet, with the black paint. But I think it looks so much better than what it did when we pulled it out. Look at that. All done. Almost looks like brand new carpet. Side's like right over there in the corner, but we'll let this dry. We'll come back out and we'll finish spraying it. We'll get one more can, we'll get one more coat on it, and then we'll get it installed in the car and get the seats in. And then we got to figure out what we're gonna do about the center console. We're gonna spray that, we're gonna sand it down, or we're just gonna leave it the same color. So let this dry, and then we'll be right back. You see the carpet dried. We got the carpet in, and there's Bailey right there. Bailey likes it. You like the carpet? Good girl. And we got the carpet in. That all done. All the center console, brakes all cleaned off and everything like that. Back's all cleaned out. So we're gonna get this shampooed. Once we get the seats back in, we're gonna get the back seat shampooed and both seats. But I think it looks so much better. I like it. And we're gonna get the seats in, and back seat we're gonna have to scrub that, so that's gonna have to be last. But let's get these seats in, let's get this center console in, and let's finish up this interior. So let's do it. All right, so we got the carpet in, got the center console in, got the radio in, got the carpet in, got the seats in. Back seat, we're still working on that, so we're still cleaning that out of here. But I think this car looks so much better. What do you think? Comment below. Let me know. Let me know what you think of the carpet and everything. And let me know what you think. What it looks like now. From when we picked it up to what it looks like now. So I guess this concludes this video. So if you liked the video on the Accord, taking out the interior and spraying the carpet down, and then vacuuming it, getting all that done, carpet, center console back in, interior done. So comment below, let us know what you think about that. But I think we're done for this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you share our channel, and you can follow us on Facebook, JC Motive Garage, and we'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.